Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saiful Amiruddin. I'm an English teacher in SMK Ma'arif 6 Ayah, and also I'm a student of Pendidikan Profesi Guru in Universitas Muhammadiyah Purworejo. And today, I would like to take the video of teaching and learning process for UKIN, and then this activity is taken on Monday, 4th December 2023. Well, let's enjoy the video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. Good morning. How are you today? I'm really good, and thank you very much for your greeting ya. Jadi for the opening this program, let's pray together, and please some of you or students or the chairman, let us pray together. Silakan salah satu. Adan?
Let's we pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bil muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Oke, thank you. Untuk hari ini sehat semua ya? Ada yang sakit? Tidak? Ada yang tidak hadir? Is anybody absent today? No. All of here ya? Semuanya di sini ya? Ada ya? Oke, thank you very much for your attention. Baik, my students, before we are going to the next, or we are going to learn about our activity today, I want to make a present list. So when I call your name, please answer with present if you are here. But if anybody doesn't hear or doesn't come here, please some of you or somebody give me instruction like absent or sick begitu. Jadi nanti saya akan melakukan presensi. Bagi yang ada silakan dijawab dengan kata present. Kalau tidak ada silakan ada yang menginstruksikan atau menginformasikan ke saya bahwasanya anaknya sakit atau tidak hadir kenapa, atau absen atau alfa begitu ya. Ahmad Ilham Atiril. Arham. Oke, thank you. Azizah. Dela. Dimas. Egi Kurniasari ya, so sorry. Eli, Eva, Farah, Fatona, Frisha, Ibnu, Karina, Muhammad Hatta, Iqbal, Natania, Nelzi, Nur Hidayah, Rafli, oke. Raisha, oke. Rida, Rozak, Salsabila, oke. Suci, Zaskia, Syafira, Syukron, Tria, Fanya, Vicky, Yunar, Meda. Iin, mana Iin? Di depan ya padahal ya. Okay, good my students, in this beautiful morning, let's prepare ourselves to face this learning process, your success in the future. Kita persiapkan diri kita untuk pembelajaran pada pagi hari ini sehingga kita memiliki bekal untuk kesuksesan kalian semua. Yang mana sukses itu pasti butuh yang namanya perjuangan atau struggle. Ya, oleh karena itu kita tidak akan mendapatkan sukses dengan hal yang gratis. Baik, teman-teman atau anak-anak, my students, untuk hari ini ya kita akan mempelajari hal we want to learn about something interesting, yaitu beberapa hal yang harus kita pahami ya. In this learning objectives ya, kita akan mempelajari some points ya, that there are 4 points that we will learn today. The first is peserta didik dapat mengidentifikasi makna kosakata pada video How to Use Analog Multimeter. This is the first learning objective. The second one is peserta didik dapat menganalisis secara kontekstual generic structure, social function, dan language features text procedure. The third point of the learning objective is peserta didik dapat membuat text procedure. And the last learning objective is peserta didik dapat mempresentasikan text procedure. Jadi 4 langkah atau tahap ini yang akan kita pelajari pada kesempatan hari ini. There are 4 the learning objectives that we will learn today in learning English. Kemudian, I have some questions for you. The first is, what is your major? Is there anybody can answer this question? Ada yang bisa menjawab? Apa itu artinya? Yes, ada? Yes?
Apa jurusan Anda?
Oke, that's good. Apa jurusan Anda? Sekarang kalau misal saya tanya, jurusan kalian apa? TAV itu kepanjangannya apa? Teknik audio video. Oke, teknik audio video ya. Oke, terus kemudian, the next question is, did you ever operate some tools to help your job? I'm sure that when you're doing some jobs in teknik audio video ya, atau electronical engineering ya, pasti ada beberapa penggunaan yang namanya alat ya kan, tools ya. Pernahkah kalian menggunakan salah satu atau beberapa alat ketika praktek-praktek di teknik audio video? Yes, what are they that you use? Multimeter, okay, first. Second? Solder, okay. Next? Attractor ya, attractor. Oke, itu bentuknya kayak apa? What is the function of this tool? Oh, untuk mencabut sisa solderan itu ya, yang oke. Next, what's again? Apalagi?
Just that, I mean.
That's it. Oke, thank you. Kemudian, jadi memang benar-benar sudah beberapa pasti memakai ya namanya jurusannya teknik audio video atau kompetensi kejuruan. Dalam suatu SMK pasti ada praktek-prakteknya, begitu ya. Oke. Terus kemudian, the next is Kahoot. As I informed you before, ya seperti yang saya informasikan, besok kita akan bermain Kahoot. Oleh karena itu silakan kalian persiapkan mobile phone-nya, persiapkan HP-nya. Nanti akan saya sajikan ini kayak kuis tapi kuis kosakata. Kayak kuis tapi kosakata. Gimana? Yes, in English, ya. English and Indonesia. Ya, you just choose one of them that it is the correct answer. Ya. Oh ya. So sorry. Please fill the full name in full name ya, dalam nama lengkap dan nama lengkap. Nama lengkap. Yang sudah di skip aja atau keluar kemudian masuk lagi. Ya, yang di belakang nggak usah. Yang penting nama depan dan nama belakang. Oke, 27 are signing the game. Ini sudah masuk semua? Sudah? Siap play ya? Yeah, okay. The question is there are 10 question and you just answer the meaning of the English. For example, run. Berarti kamu harus menjawab berlari kayak gitu. Just choose one of the option of answer. Okay, let me see. Arham, the first. This is the last. This is the last. This is the last question. Coba. Let me see. Oke, terus selanjutnya nanti we will learn or identify the some vocabulary that's including of this video. Jadi nanti kita akan mengidentifikasi vocabulary. What is that the vocabulary? What the meaning of vocabulary? Kosa kata that including of video yang terdapat pada video. Written, yes, must be written. Kemudian, how to identify is you just see the video and discuss with your groups, and then I will give you some LKPD or lembar kerja peserta didik, and you just fill the blank of the LKPD based on the video. So that way, please make a group. I want to divide you into 8 groups. So every group will be there are 4 students up to 5. Yeah. So that way, let's run. Let's count the number. Start number 1 up to number 8, and the counting will begin from you, brother. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and repeat again, start number 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and repeat again, start number 1. We will start from Ardan. 1. No.
Aduh, 1.
No. Oke. Coba Let's run. Group 1 will be there. Group 2 will be there. Group 3 will be here. Group 4 will be over there. Group 5, 6, 7, 8. Nanti silakan ya. Kamu mengelompok will be your groups. Mengelompok dengan grup kalian. And the next, silakan buatlah kelompok masing-masing 2 table ya, digabung menjadi combine become 1 table. Jadi nanti modelnya adalah rounding atau melingkar. Do you get my point? Bisa dipahami?
Yes.
Yes. Do it right now. Silakan. Have you every group accept the LKPD? Apakah masing-masing sudah menerima LKPD? Group? Yes? Yes, I have gitu ya jawabannya. Yes, good. The first learning activity is identify the vocabulary that including of the video. And after you identifying the vocabulary, please write down in the LKPD. First, please see the video. Nanti pertama apa? Ya, yang ada di video. That's good. Ya, nice. Menganalisis kosakata yang terdapat dalam video, kemudian please put over there. Put over there. For example ini ya. For example, ada verbs, meaning. Next one.
The first is
Verb. Second one.
is meaning.
Meaning. Number 3.
That only for answer.
Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Here it verb.
Yes.
Then
Meaning.
meaning. Then adjective.
Meaning kind.
Noun. Meaning. Ya. Kalian kelompokkan berdasarkan dengan kelas kata. Ya, berdasarkan dengan kelas kata. For example verb, so you have to put over there. If you find adjective, so you should put here. And if you find noun, ya, you should put here. And meaning is arti, ya. Jadi for example verb tadi kayaknya kosakatanya yang ketika diidentifikasi di awal di permainan Kahoot ada kata read gitu ya. Apa itu? What the meaning of read? Membaca. So, which one do you choose and put where is it? Verb or adjective or noun? Verb. So, you have to put here. Read and the meaning is membaca. Do you get it? Yes? Okay, sekarang I will play the game or I play the video and play.
This is the Wilson YX1000A analog multimeter. It comes with an operator's manual and 2 leads. To set the unit up, first turn the dial to the lowest ohm rating. Then, insert the black lead into the negative jack and the red lead into the positive jack. To calibrate the unit, touch the 2 needles together. Then turn the dial until the reading reads 0 ohms on the display. Next, isolate your component and touch one needle to each terminal. This will give you your reading.
Sudah? Play again? Yeah? Yeah, okay. The first, you should have like say the blank paper to get the notes. Ya. Pertama kalian minimal punya kayak kertas kosong untuk catatan. Untuk catatan. Ya. Kalau sudah baru kalian diletakkan pada LKPD. Hah? Oh, if never mind, it's okay. That's totally okay. Kalau yang sudah terlanjur ditulis di already written in the paper, it's okay. But this is let's say the clue, let's say the additional or scaffolding to you. Jadi ini hanya opsi saja, the option, ya. Boleh. Nanti saya ulang. Tapi for example, sir, there are 15 vocabulary on the blank on the LKPD. Should I fill all of the 15 vocabulary? No. Jadi misal di sini kan ada 15 vocabulary. Haruskah kita mengisi semua? No, tidak. Tergantung dari the result of discussion of every group. Tergantung dari masing-masing kelompok, diskusi kelompok. Oke, sekarang kalian lihat di LKPD 2. LKPD 2. LKPD 2. Kemudian juga di materi ada ya. Itu adalah suatu teks yang tujuannya itu mengoperasikan bagaimana cara untuk mengoperasikan sesuatu. I repeat again. I'm so sorry, procedure text ya. The procedure text tujuannya adalah to explain how to something to be done. Jadi bagaimana untuk melakukan sesuatu, itu tujuan dari prosedur teks. Generic structure-nya itu ada 3. There are 3. The first is goal, the second one is materials, and the third one is steps. For example like this. Ini yang pertama adalah goal. Goal itu bisa diartikan sebagai judul ya nanti. Yang kedua, materials atau ingredient. Yang ketiga adalah step atau langkah-langkah. Itu nanti kalian diskusikan dengan teman-teman. Kemudian letakkan di sini. Judulnya apa? Ingredients atau materialsnya yang dibutuhkan apa saja? Kemudian step-stepsnya bagaimana? First, second, third, fourth, dan sebagainya. Bisa dipahami? Kalau di sini sudah ditulis, nanti kalian tinggal menyalin yang di sini ke dalam Canva. Dan itu sebagai bahan presentasi. Karena ini sifatnya project, maka kalian juga harus menentukan jadwalnya terlebih dahulu dalam pembuatan proyek. Maka silakan teman-teman dibuat dengan diskusi dengan teman-teman yang lain. For example, number 1, task activity-nya menentukan tema. Berarti hari ini for example, durasi ya 10 menit lah ya, cukup ya. Apa 1 hari menentukan tema? Terlalu lama ya. Ya. Yang kedua, membuat teks. For example, menyusun teks. Kapan? Durasinya berapa? Tanggal harinya apa? Tempatnya di sekolah atau di rumah? Note-nya kalau nggak ada kosongin. Number 3, for example sudah ya, membuat Canva. Ya kan? Apa ditentukan di sini. Terus apa dan silakan sesuai dengan kelompok masing-masing. Bisa dipahami? Kemudian untuk pembuatan jadwal itu juga sudah saya sertakan di sini di LKPD. Ya, tinggal kalian nulis saja. Saya set poin-poinnya saja. Is there any question? Oh, okay. If the goal is same with the other groups, ya, bagaimana? Silakan. Itu saya yakin meskipun tujuannya atau title-nya sama, tapi nanti ketika menjelaskan kan harusnya berbeda dengan bahasanya masing-masing. Ya enggak? Ya pasti beda, ada langkah-langkahnya pasti beda. Yang penting tujuannya sama dan tidak ada step. Oh ya, perhatian. Untuk prosedur itu stepnya tidak boleh terbalik. For example, kamu pertama harus nyolokkan dulu ya, switch on. For example, the electrical, kamu tidak boleh melakukan itu pada terakhir. Kan kamu huruf bisa dilakukan. Kayak gitu ya. Itu harus runtut. Bisa dipahami? Oke, silakan do it right now. Nah, berarti sekarang silakan menyusun jadwal ya. Dirundingkan, diisi di lembar jawab yang ini. Goals-nya Pak, shooting. Shooting berarti ya, Nih? Mungkin ini title-nya bisa dirubah. How to use camera. Iya. Iya, atau how to operate the camera. Iya, itu kan ya, alat. Iya, kan kamera kan yang dipakai Bu, syuting itu kan? Iya. Iya. Kamera.
Cuma enggak kamera aja Pak.
Hah?
Enggak kamera aja kayak ada ini.
Ya iya kan mungkin.
Ya kan nanti itu kan tool. Ya, nanti kan di toolsnya yang dibutuhkan apa saja kan ada headset, ada kabel, ada wireless, ada clip on, ada everything, ya kan? Iya.
Apa wireless?
Wireless itu ini kan wireless milik clip on ya. Guys, yeah, my students, yeah, I want to make sure that when you create a title or goal, yeah, diawali or beginning of the letter or the words how to. Ya, ketika kalian membuat apa? When you create the title or goal, make sure that you create beginning of words how to. For example, how to operate analog multimeter. Itu. Ya, jadi not only multimeter, no, tapi ada kata how to operate the multimeter. Not only just you write down multimeter for example, no. Because this is the procedure text. Yeah. The text who lead us to operate something, to use something, yeah, to including of step by step. Judulnya apa? Itu bagus, ah? Nyolder, coba itunya. Nyolder bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Solder. Coba itunya, judulnya apa? Yang diuret-uretan? Cara how to use solder. Nah, udah betul. It's good. What is the title? How to soldering. Ya, boleh ini diperbaiki ya. Ya. For example, you how to itu harus bertemu dengan verb 1. Jadi kalau how to ya kamu harus di sini harus konteksnya verb 1. Tapi kalau soldering itu adalah verb ing. Kan ada ing-nya kan soldering. Ini pakai aja. How to use, bagaimana menggunakan solder. Solder kan itu kan kata benda. Ya. Yes, of course. Ya. Ya. If ada, jika ada. Kalau no ya no. Kalau you no need to write down the adjective. Ya. Wait a minute ya.
Gimana Pak?
How to use desoldering. How to use solder saja langsung. Namanya apa solder itu? Solder kan? Apa? Yes, langsung gitu. How to use solder aja. Oke? Okay? Yang apa?
Melepas komponen.
Ini yang melepas komponen. Berarti jangan solder ya. Misal how to replace the component kayak gitu. Atau rilis, melepas gitu cari aja, rilis. Begitu ya. Sekarang itu jam 10.44. Nah, nanti kayak tadi kan yang pertama sudah kalian mengidentifikasi kosakata. You have also have done in creating the procedure, identifying the vocabulary, kemudian diskusi, ya diskusi. Nah nanti setelah ini berarti kalian itu harus mempresentasikan hasil diskusinya. You have to present your result discussion in front of the class. Then after that, I hope there are students who, let's say, giving a comment to their or the presenter at the day or at the time. You have to also, let's say, arranging who is to be a presenter, who is to be, for example, who introduce your friend, who is opening the presentation, who is explaining about the result, who is the closing, yang menjadi penutup dari presentasi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
How are you today? I'm fine. We would like to introduce your group. My name is Nor. He is Ardan. He is Hatta. He is Meda. She is Aziza. Terus, topiknya.
Today we would like to present about how to use the attractor. Nah, yes.
Ganti.
The material are, the first is attractor, and the second PCB ports, then solder tin. That's optional, okay? The step is puller lead extraction. The first, squeeze the palm or spring until you see the print. Second, hit the joint with solder until the tin has melted. Then point the tip of the puller toward the joint. Press the button to shock the spring, preference to release the springs. The third, repeat the above steps to remove the lead free guided installed in the joint. The fourth, the traction must be emptied by opening it when it is full. Yeah, that's all about our discussion. We apologize if we have any mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The next one is hopefully there is
Terlalu singkat bro. This.
comments or giving question, to the group. What group are you?
One.
One.
Yes.
Group one. And then after this, so group one, of course, will answer the question or the suggestion.
Don't difficult, okay? Don't difficult, please.
Easy aja.
Ya, easy aja.
Excuse me.
Yes. Please.
Can I group 3 ask question?
Yes.
The question is, what are the safety precautions in operating the attractor?
You can repeat again.
What are the safety precautions in operating the attractor?
Please.
Okay, I'm ready to answer the question. The safety is one is the first is using the gloves. You know gloves? Gloves, sarung tangan. Menggunakan sarung tangan. The first, pertama. Nggak usah banyak. Then the second, do not touch the tin if the tin is hot. If you want the soldering. Do you understand what I say at here? Must I to say with Indonesian language?
Dia menyampaikan ada dua safety-nya. The first is using
Gloves, yeah.
And the second one is don't touch
The tin.
the tin
If
when it is hot.
yeah.
Ya, jadi
Yeah.
when it is hot, hot itu apa sih hot? Panas ya, jangan dipegang. It's like carefully ya, carefully, lebih hati-hati ya,
Yeah.
mungkin gitu ya kan.
Yeah. Yeah. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Bisa di-
Enough. Oh.
Masih? Is there any question?
And any question?
Is there any question?
Okay. Enough. That's all about our discussion. We apologize if we have any mistake and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time, guys. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you.
See you. Aha.
This step after you doing the presentation and some students giving a question or comments, yeah. And now the step is evaluation. So let's summarize today meeting. Kita belajar apa saja tadi? What we learned today? Yes. Text. Procedure. The next. Project. Okay. And in the first of the meeting, what we are doing? Huh? Playing game, Kahoot. Then about what? About what? Kahoot. What's Kahoot? What is the task of the Kahoot? What is the task? Vocabulary. Okay. Next. What else? Creating procedure text. And then using what application, yeah? When you want to presentation? Yes, that's right. Canva. And the last is presentation. Okay, good. And the next, yeah. Sekarang, we have to the reflection. The reflection is yang pertama tadi sudah ya. What did we learn today ya? Sudah. And the second one is what did you feel after learning this subject? What did you feel after learning this subject? Hah? Si Dela, apa jawabannya Del? What did you feel? What did you feel? Perasaannya itu gimana? Happy. And then? Apa lagi? No what? Ya. Suara apa itu? Perasaannya bisa happy ya. Happy berarti apa? Happy. Senang. Ini apa saja Dan? Happy. Pusing. Okay, pusing. How to say in English pusing? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Mumet Pak, pada sama saja itu. Dizzy ya, dizzy, confused, membingungkan dan sebagainya. Oke. Tapi ya itulah proses-prosesnya ya. Ada happy-nya, ada funny-nya, ada dizzy-nya, ada itunya. Terus berikutnya kita akan membahas tentang materi news report ya. News report dan is there any question for this today or this subject? Anak tidak? Oke. Ya? Is there any question? No? Sure? Oke, sure. Oke. Jika tidak ada pertanyaan, if there is no question, so let's close our meeting today by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Give applause for us.